Welcome in this video I'm going to show you so easy task that would be your potential airdrop. You can do join, and you need to be earlier you adopt an earlier part of this airdrop. So what you need to do is just copy this link and paste onto your browser or whatever browser you have, and here is choosing my this browser, and here is I'm putting my that link that I copied on that Ranga Finance provide on their Telegram channel. So here is what I'm doing, just to copy it into here. Lumio.ai join whitelist. So join whitelist means simple work. You need to just put your email inside of here, and never be freak out. So if you feel that this video is naive, so basic video, foundation video, it's not good at all, so please let me know it on comment box, because your everything comment, your comment is so much precise to me. So get early access by joining whitelist. So put your email into here. So I'm putting my email, and this one is my email, first email. So I'm choosing it from an Aptos wallet address. Here is where you will find your Aptos wallet address, is by clicking on, I'm showing you here, you will find it. So you will find it going to Sui wallet or Petra Aptos wallet. Okay, just go through that and copy it, your Petra what is that, I don't know, and that wallet address, and paste onto here. And your EVM wallet address everybody has, that is MetaMask. Okay, straightforward, nothing complicated. Okay, so if it is not worked, I have another option, but I'm trying to joining by that. Okay, so yeah, it it has been opening. Okay, so I'm putting my Gmail here. I don't know, I forget my password here. I forget really. Okay, so I'm trying to do it. Okay, now it is worked. Okay, so I copied it and I need to paste it into here. So now EVM, I have EVM. You know EVM wallet address is your Gmail, your MetaMask. Go to your MetaMask and select your and copied your MetaMask wallet and paste into here. Okay, as simple as that, nothing complicated, everything is easy, straightforward. Okay, so if you feel it is hard to you, just let me know. I will help you. I will help you a lot. Okay, so here is we are. So just put your password here. So let me see it. It will be open very soon. So if it is maybe password doing problem. Okay, my password is didn't matched. So this one is my password onto MetaMask. You never get it, okay, because MetaMask has key first, and MetaMask doesn't care your password. Okay, so anyhow, this is my wallet address. Just copy it and come back into here. Anyhow, do loading, no problem. Yeah, so same page will be pop up, because I'm using mobile phone, and inside of mobile phone everything is freak out. Okay, because some nowadays there is a lot of computer that do same problem. So anyhow, our EVM wallet is I'm pasting here. Yes, and now you need to have Solana wallet address. So in order to getting Solana wallet address, you need to have Salmon wallet. Okay, just go through that Salmon wallet and copy it your Solana wallet. Okay, your okay, so I need to enter this Salmon wallet in order to, therefore I need to put my password. So here is our Solana network wallet. So here is little bit copy option. You're seeing I copied it and I'm come back in here, and here is over and again it is refreshing and it is make me fuck up. Okay, so I'm saying I will make you money. I will every day I will make couple of videos that will help you joining inside of the airdrop, and just you don't need to pay anything for that, just pay attention and check out this video description box, coming to telegram, and I'm just wanting to part of you. So thank you for submission. The submission has been received, so you done it. So if you don't yet join telegram, please do join. Check out this video's description box, everything you will found about us. So see you later in the next time. Until that, happy